Welcome to our new video series. In this series, we will learn about Cloudways. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting provider. So let's introduce about Cloudways first. So on the homepage, you can see it's written managed cloud hosting for the ultimate online presence. If your website need to handle many traffic, then you need a cloud hosting solution. Cloudways, trusted by 100,000 plus business. Cloudways is a top-rated SMB hosting provider with 4.7 on G2. They have 50 plus global data centers. With Cloudways, you can pick any of these apps like PHP, Laravel, Linode, WordPress, WooCommerce, AWS. You have multiple choice to run your websites or run your applications. So on the pricing page, you can see the price plans are listed here. With DigitalOcean, 1 GB RAM, 1 core processor with 25 GB storage, you need to pay 14 USD per month. On Volta server, 1 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, you have to pay 16 USD per month. On Linode, you need to pay 14 USD per month, 1 GB, 1 core, 25 GB storage on 14 USD. AWS, you will get this pricing, and with Google Cloud, you will get this pricing. So these pricings are flexible. You can start with the basic one, the first one. When your site will grow, then you can upgrade the plans. Why you need to use Cloudways? Because Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting server. Whenever you want to try any cloud server like DigitalOcean, so you have to understand their servers droplets. On Amazon, you need to understand their EC2 servers, and installing this you need a developer, and managing the server is hard. But with managed server, you don't need to think about the server management. On Cloudways, you don't need to think about the servers, think about the Amazon EC2. You just pick any server and use them as managed server. So this is the plus point. Cloudways company will manage everything for you. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to register on Cloudways. Open a new tab and go to this link. I will put this link on the description and comment below, and use the code TAS for 20% discount. It will land it to your Cloudways homepage. Then click start for free. You can get 3D trial without any credit card or any charges. So I am putting my informations. So your account is created. Now you need to verify your account. For verifying, you need to go to your Gmail or your email. Then you need to open the Cloudways email and click login and activate. You have successfully verified your account. So your account has been created, and now you need to create the server and the application. On the next video, I will show you how you can create the suitable server and the application using this dashboard. Thank you for watching this video. Please watch the next video.